Hello FYI faculty, my name is Eric Shannon and I am a reference and instruction librarian here at Franklin Pierce University. Today I am going to go over how to import library instructional tutorials into your course in Canvas. To access Canvas Commons from your dashboard, simply click the link on the left side of your screen titled Commons. Once you are in Canvas Commons, search for DPHO Library in the Canvas Commons search box. This will display all of the tutorials and resources that DPHO Library has added to Canvas Commons. If you have opted to use online library tutorials for your FYI class, you will look for the tutorials that have FYI required in their title. There are 3 tutorials that are required for those using the online library tutorials for FYI. The DPHO Library Catalog Tutorial and Quiz, DPHO Library Database Tutorial and Quiz, and DPHO Library Developing Keywords Tutorial and Quiz. The other tutorials are optional, but may be beneficial in helping your students gain a better understanding of developing research questions and evaluating the credibility of various information sources. These additional tutorials are titled DPHO Library Developing a Research Question, DPHO Library Evaluating Information Sources Tutorial and Quiz, and the DPHO Library Credibility Continuum Tutorial and Quiz. To import a tutorial into your course, simply click on the tutorial and then select the course that you would like to import your tutorial into. I'm going to demonstrate using DPHO Library Developing Keywords Tutorial and Quiz. And I am going to select GLE 101 and then click Import. It says at the top that I have successfully started the import, but please note that it may take a while to see changes in your course. Once you have imported the tutorial into your course, you can find the tutorial under Quizzes. And I see it right here. It's titled Developing Keywords Tutorial and Quiz, and now you have this tutorial into your course in Canvas. If you have questions on importing tutorials into your Canvas course, please contact me, Eric Shannon, at shannone@franklinpierce.edu or at extension 4149. If you do not want your students to be graded on these quizzes, but simply want to count these tutorials as homework assignments, please watch the next video titled Changing Graded Canvas Quizzes to Ungraded Surveys.